Electric Mini J01 JCW compared to the petrol Mini F66 JCW. Naturally, these two similar-looking JCWs couldn't be more different mechanically, and that's where things get really interesting. Let's start with the power. The F66 JCW has a disappointingly identical power output to the F56 JCW. However, according to our sources, there is a sizable increase in torque with the new combustion JCW, which puts out 280 pounds-feet at only 1,500 revolutions per minute. That's 45 pounds-feet, a 16% increase over the previous generation and only 15 pounds-feet behind the new Countryman JCW. This, along with the wider track and quicker DCT transmission, will give the new JCW a noticeable performance advantage, despite having the exact power figure. The electric J01 JCW has 252 GP, more power than the combustion version. However, the J01 surprisingly has less torque than the combustion version, with only 255 pounds-feet. One key difference with an electric car is that all of that torque will be available from the moment you touch the accelerator pedal. Top speed is another surprise for both cars. The F66 JCW is roughly the same as the F56 JCW, with a top speed of 152 miles per hour. On the other hand, J01 tops out at only 124 miles per hour. Why so low? It has something to do with Mini wanting to maintain range, first and foremost. Mini has been limiting its electric cars to 170 kilometers per hour, 105.6 miles per hour, due to its already limited range. Remember, speed kills range. However, they've decided to lift that limit here to a degree. The battery size will remain the same as the SE models at 54.2 kilowatt-hour, with 49.2 kilowatt-hour usable. Because of the increased performance, we'd expect the range to decrease a bit, perhaps as much as 5 to 10%. That could take the 250-mile WLTP range down to between 225, 237 miles. But the most significant difference isn't the power or even the top speed, it's the weight. With its battery pack, the J01 JCW is a heavyweight at 3,814 pounds with the driver. That's an astonishing 717 pounds heavier than the F66. Granted, that weight is near the ground due to the nature of the battery design, but it's still a lot of weight. Needless to say, driving these two cars back-to-back will be fascinating. Like all new small electric Minis, the J01 Mini Cooper JCW is made in China in collaboration with Great Wall Motors. However, that will change in 2026 as Mini aggressively expands the J01 and J05 Aceman production to the UK and its Oxford plant. Both the electric and petrol JCW models will debut on October 24th. Production of the combustion F66 will start in November, while the electric J01 will kick off in January 2025. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our JCW Adventures channel for the latest Mini news and reviews on YouTube.